Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of my end of a phone trade I did with another YouTuber. Her name is Retrocomms. I will link her channel in the description if you guys want to go check it out. I traded a couple of my phones for it. I don't remember exactly what they were. I have a really bad memory, but she'll be getting them sometime this week. So if you want to go see them, you can go check her channel. And this is what I got in exchange for those phones. So let's go ahead and see what we got. I did cut out all of the our information and stuff, you know. It was just easier just to literally just cut it like that than it was to do anything else. Like I said, guys, I'm sorry about the videos. I said this in an earlier video, but I'm not sure which one we'll end up posting first because it should be the other one because it's a shorter video, but you never know. I've been working on my car like non-stop trying to get my damage fixed from the deer that I hit. So I've been extremely busy with that. A lot of money's been going towards that. So as soon as that's all caught up, I can get my videos back to normal. So just be patient with me, guys. We'll get there. I'll have more money so I can get a couple more phones bought too. So alrighty. We'll start, I guess they're all individually wrapped. I'll slide all these out and get the box out of the way. Alrighty. So there's a couple phones that I know are broken that we're going to be doing repairs on. So there'll be some more videos coming up on those. We'll probably do a couple of those later on tonight. I should go for one. Tried to cut myself like I have a couple times. I was working on a car, guys, and my knuckle got caught on a piece of metal at a LKQ pick your part. Oh, it hurt so bad. But we'll be alright. This is the LG CU500, I think it is. Yep. And if you guys know, mine doesn't work. This one seems to turn on somewhat. Hopefully we can mix some parts together and get mine working or get this one working, one or the other. This one's in really good shape. Actually, you can see it closes perfectly, unlike mine. I don't even know where mine is. Let me see if I can find it. I'm not even sure where I put mine at. I'll have to look for it now. But you see mine has a lot of problems. So I'll find it. We'll grab it at the end of the video and see what we can figure out on it. Yeah, this one looks in really good shape. Here is a battery for one of my StarTACs that we talked about. I have one. I have a StarTAC, but I don't have an actual battery for it, nor do I have a charger. So we talked about, you know, she was going to send me one that was charged so we can see if mine works. Mine's a Sprint version. As you can see, I don't know anything about this phone. I got it on eBay a lot. It may or may not work. So let's see. Oh, it works. It looks like there's some sticky stuff or something on there. I haven't cleaned this one up because I have no idea if it worked or not. But it does work. That's pretty cool. I always wanted to see one of these. I never had one of these before, so it's cool to see them. There's that one. Let's go with this one. This one looks a little bit smaller. A lot of bubble wrap too. I love bubble wrap, so I wrapped all of hers in bubble wrap, but I popped them all before they left the house, so they may not be as fun as mine. I love bubble wrap. Here is a Droid Razr M. This one, I think she said boot cycles or something, if I remember right. And I have parts from mine that my screen was broken, so we can mix parts around to make these work. I like the white one. Mine's black. I actually really like the white one a little bit better. So there'll be a video on this one as well. Let's go and take a look at this one. Living life dangerously. I'm living life dangerously with the razor blade. This is a Droid. I think this is the Razr something, if I remember. I can't remember, guys. I think it's a Maxx. It's got a cracked screen. I think it boot cycled as well. I always wanted one of these because I had one and I had to get rid of it. I think my mom lost it. It's been so long ago, guys. But I always wanted to get another one. So we'll see what we can do with this. Maybe buy a new screen for it and get it up and running. I do got a couple more phones coming in the mail as well from eBay purchases. So I've already done some eBay purchases unboxing, but this isn't like the other ones. We still got some more coming in. Here's one of the Motorola ROKR. This is the Z6m. As you can see, the screen is, the glass around is cracked, but I have a ROKR Z3 that needs an LCD, and I'm wondering if we can take the LCD out of this one and put in there, because that would be kind of cool. This one works, yay. I love my Altel ones though. I got a US Cellular one that's orange that I ordered. It'll be coming up in a future video, and I think what we're going to do on it is take the Altel board out of this one and put in there. I see this one's in really bad shape. So we'll take the board out of this one and out of one of them and put in the US Cellular one, because I don't really like US Cellular. Like, ugh. No offense, guys, I just don't. Never been a fan of them. Then again, I've never used them down in my area either, so that's just the way it is. So let's go and see what this one is. Here's an older Blackberry on Altel. I love old Blackberries, but especially the big old fat ones, because you know, just like the memories of how old they were and how far our phones become, like the pixel compared to it. Like, it's just crazy. So there's that one. I really am tired, guys, too. I took my medicine, so it's making me tired. I will have other videos posted on my other channel on the Suzuki. I've got a couple videos that I've posted so far, so those will be up there. Here is a Droid Turbo or something, I think it is. I like the back on this. I do have a screen. I see the OLED panel's cracked, but I have a screen for some kind of Blackberry, or some kind of Blackberry, some kind of Motorola. I don't know what it goes to. Let's see if I can find it real quick. That's a G4. It was somewhere around here, and I don't know what it goes to, so hopefully it goes to this. Cause that would be totally cool if I had a screen for it, just magically. I gotta find it though. I have so many screens and stuff in here, dude. Here it is. And it's a little different. The camera's in a different area. So maybe we'll have to buy another screen for this one. But I really wonder where the screen goes to. Hopefully one day we can find out and maybe get lucky and find a phone that it goes to. I'll just keep buying phones till it fits one, right? Keep trading them off. Here is a... Oh, the bubble wrap, guys, is just so satisfying. I'm going to take all this bubble wrap, dude. I'm just going to sit here and pop it after this video. Here's another Motorola ROKR. This is the Altel one. I guess the other one's Altel too, so. One of these had a bad keypad, she said. I think it was this one right here, yeah. The one that's in really rough shape has the front keypad's bad. So here's another Altel one. So this makes my third now Altel one. Mine doesn't have that starter. That's pretty different. So there's this one. Yeah, I don't have that starter for mine. That's pretty cool. I'm going to definitely keep that one around. I don't like to get rid of my phones, guys, unless they're completely demolished. We're really do drop tests and stuff on them where I can't fix them or it's not worth fixing. That's how I always do my videos. This is the Motorola, or the LG AX 8600. This one, she said, needed a charging port. And I took apart that one we did a burnout on and got the charging port board out. So I'll do a video on replacing it. And it should have a working charging port after that. And this would be my third LG AX 8600. See on mine, like the front lens on the inside of mine, it doesn't have the Altel and their LG logo on it. It's just a gray piece of plastic on the inside of mine. I'm not sure about my new one that I have in the box. I'll have to take a look at it. That is a quite interesting charging port there. But yeah, we'll take a look at that in that video that we do this part. So stay tuned for that. And we also have one more. Let's take a look at this one. I'm knocking the tripod all over the place, guys. I'm sorry. This is an old Altel Kyocera 3250. Oh, this thing looks crazy looking. It looks like I might have a broken LCD or something in there, but I'm definitely going to look at this. We'll have a charger for it and everything. This kind of looks like that the Kyocera blade I have. It looks like it takes the same battery and everything. But yeah, we'll definitely keep this one in that video as well, so stay tuned for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Retrocomms, thank you. I hope you like the phones you'll be getting pretty soon. And go check out our channel, guys. See what you think of it. Subscribe to her if you want to. If you liked my video, subscribe to me if you want to. It's all up to you guys. Thanks for watching. Let's get all these over here. Whee! Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.